The magic paintbrush. Once upon a time, there was a young man called Ma Lion. He was poor but kind. He liked drawing so much that he drew pictures everywhere. One night, he dreamed that an old man gave him a magic paintbrush and asked him to use it to help the poor. When he woke up, he found the magic paintbrush on his desk in real. From that day on, he used the magic paintbrush whenever any poor or downtrodden people needed help. When he saw that people had no water to use in the fields, he drew a river and the river came to life. People could bring water from the river to the field to grow their crops. When he saw the hard-working farmers struggling to feed their families, he drew more food for them to eat. As the time passed, many people knew about the magic paintbrush and were very grateful to Ma Lion. But in the same village, there lived a rich but wicked man who was mean and crafty. He decided to steal the magic paintbrush from the young man so that he could use it to become even richer. So he sent his servants to Ma Lion's home to steal the magic paintbrush. Once he had the magic paintbrush, he felt very happy. He invited his friends to come to his home so that he could show them his new possession. He drew a lot of pictures, but none of them would come to life for him. He was very angry that the paintbrush did not work for him, so he sent for Ma Lion. He said to the young man,
"If you draw some pictures for me and bring them to life, I will set you free."
Ma Lion did not want to help such a man, but he had an idea. He said to the rich man,
"What would you like me to draw?"
The rich man said,
"I want a golden mountain. I will go there to gather gold."
But the young man drew a sea first. The rich man was angry and said,
"Why did you draw a sea? I want a golden mountain. Draw it quickly."
So the young man drew a golden mountain which was far away from the sea. The rich man said,
"Draw a big ship quickly. I want to go there to gather gold."
The young man smiled quietly and drew a big ship. The rich man jumped into the ship and set off to find the gold. But when the ship sailed to the middle of the sea, Ma Lion drew a large wave which destroyed the ship, and the rich man was never seen in the village again. After that, the young man lived happily with the villagers and used the magic paintbrush to help the poor as the old man had asked him to do.